I recently watched the Netflix documentary Don't Die on Netflix. Maybe some of you have seen this about the millionaire entrepreneur Brian Johnson. The guy spends $2 million a year optimizing every square inch of his body, from his blood plasma to his bowel movements. He tracks every single biomarker known to man. He takes approximately 100 plus supplements a day, and he's on more tech than a Tesla factory floor. But for all that effort, if you've seen it, you know he still kind of looks tired. And I'm not here to knock the guy's dedication. I admire his commitment to the cause. But this entire thing is a perfect example of missing the forest for the trees. So here's the truth. You don't need a fleet of doctors or a biometric dashboard the size of a wall-mounted TV to live longer, feel better, and move through life with resiliency and power. You need a few unsexy habits done consistently. Number one, train hard. Resistance training is one of the most effective tools for increasing lifespan and quality of life. It preserves muscle and improves your insulin sensitivity, boosts metabolism, protects your joints, and increases mental resilience, along with a variety of other things. You gotta eat like an adult. You don't need to be a carnivore or a vegan or biohacker approved. Just prioritize protein, manage your calories, maybe eat some more fiber, and cut out the ultra-processed junk that makes you feel like trash. You've gotta move your body every single day. Walk more, stand up more, take the stairs, chase your grandkids. It all adds up. Your Apple Watch isn't going to save you, but regular movement might. Number 4, you need to sleep like it's your job. No red light helmets or cryotherapy chambers. Replace what happens during 7 to 8 hours of consistent sleep every single night. And number 5, you have to hydrate. Water is one of the most important things we can get to our body, and most people are severely lacking in that department. So if your daily routine takes 6 hours and 14 devices to make you feel optimized, you're not healthy, you're a lab experiment. At Reform Fitness, we work with real people like you, busy professionals, parents, executives, grandparents, people who want to feel amazing, stay sharp, and live long enough to see their kids' grow up, not live inside of a petri dish. Health isn't about control, it's about consistency. It's about doing the few things that matter and doing them well over and over and over again. So you don't need hundreds of pills. You need 30 minutes of hard workouts twice a week and the discipline to keep showing up. So if you watch that documentary and you're tempted to go full Brian Johnson, please don't. You don't need to optimize everything. You just need to do the important things better. Train hard, eat like a grown-up, move more, sleep enough, and for goodness sakes, drink enough water. And if you do that, you might not live forever, but you'll feel damn good while you're here.